Well, Uber's about to make a major app update, major app reconstruction, and the update's actually going to eliminate a lot of drivers. Many drivers will be eliminated, deactivated when this update is complete. So you don't want to miss out on this. Please thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and please sign up for Solo right now. So when you sign up for Solo, they're actually going to give you $10 for free. We have a partnership with them, so when you use our link and try out the app anywhere in the country for free, they're gonna send you $10 simply for testing it out. And basically what they do is they help optimize your income, track your expenses, and even guarantee your pay. And you can see right here, some of the hours that they pay you, $38 an hour, 37 bucks. And yeah, so you can go out and drivers are making hundreds, if not thousands more dollars per year using Solo. So check it out, link below. And now let's get started. So Uber is now shifting to electric vehicles. If you did not know this, if you drive a gas-powered car, you will soon be deactivated within the coming years. And they said that this will be taking place by 2030. However, I wouldn't be surprised if it started taking place sooner. The company, by the way, will not be paying drivers to make the switch, but rather they're gonna give you a little incentive, AKA an extra probably 25 cents per ride, and you can, use an EV for now, and they're hoping that drivers just, go out and finance a brand new $50,000, $60,000 electric vehicle to drive for Uber, and, get stuck with $1,000, $1,200, $1,500 car payment, and then now they're, driving for Uber up the wazoo. And yeah, anyways. Uber announced Tuesday that 100% of rides will take place in electric vehicles by 2030 in the US, Canada, and Europe, and 2040 for the rest of the world. But happens if that happens sooner. We all know California recently switched to electric vehicles. So if you didn't know, according to Forbes, California is going to be using fully electric vehicles by 2035. And you can see this, many Californians right now are no doubt feeling the whipsaws of conflicting government policies. Wow, there's so many freaking ads on this. You guys complain about ads on my videos. Look at this on Forbes. You can barely even read the dang article. In California, yeah, they're shifting to electric vehicles, and Uber, they're following this. No, I don't want to boost my income. But Uber's following this, liberal agenda of going green. Uber is launching Uber Green, surcharge in 15 cities. For $1 extra, riders can specifically request a hybrid or electric vehicle. Drivers who use hybrid electric vehicles will get an extra 50 cents per ride. Uber's even taking half. Uber's taking half the pay. Oh my gosh, they're literally so cheap. I mean, I guess they're not cheap. They're making drivers. Gosh, that's a joke. That means trips in hybrid or electric vehicles are about to become slightly more expensive. Hundreds of thousands of drivers in the US, Canada, and Europe transition to battery EVs by 2025. Uber will also spend $800 million of its own dollars to help hundreds of thousands of drivers. How are they gonna do that? I guess by doing the $1 or 50 cents extra per ride. But yeah, guys, but the passengers are paying for it, so they're not even spending their own money. I don't know, it seems weird. So yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm not planning on buying an electric vehicle to drive for Uber. I'm a part-time driver. I know a lot of drivers aren't part-time drivers, so I don't really see, how this is gonna make sense, but I mean, that's what they wanna do. So I'm gonna leave the video up for you guys, but yeah, this is the major app update which we're talking about. And again, sign up for Solo, link below. You can optimize your income, track your mileage automatically. And again, they're gonna send you $10 just for being our audience watcher for free, signing up with our link below and proving you're a gig worker by linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.